Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video I'll be going ahead and quickly sharing with you my little Nykaa haul. They had their big Friday sale going on, so I went ahead and I purchased few products, and I did get quite a lot of products as freebies, and I'm gonna go ahead and share with you one by one. First I'm gonna start off with all the products that I purchased with my own money. I will be definitely going ahead and sharing with you all that I have in this particular box right here. It's not a lot of products, but yes, there are few products that I went ahead and I got for myself. So if this is something that you would be interested in watching, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. And also, if you are someone who is new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon right beside the subscribe button. That is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. And now, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first product that I got is the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer, and I have used, I would say, 2 jars of this particular moisturizer. It is a very good moisturizer, and it definitely brightens up your skin. So this one retails for $5.50. However, I got this on a discount for $3.85, which I think is absolutely worth it. So the next product that I have is from Plum Luminance. This is the Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This again retails for $5.45. However, I got this for 436 rupees. So if you are someone who doesn't use makeup on a regular basis, then this will be with you for a very long time. However, I don't use makeup on a regular basis, but there are times when I go ahead and use mascara and lipstick. So this helps in taking off my mascara as well. So you can definitely go ahead and try this out if you are looking for a good cleansing balm which is worth the money, and also you get a good quantity. So the next product that I purchased is the Dot & Key Skincare Lip Balm Vitamin C plus E SPF 30 Glitter Balm. I have come across a lot of reels and ads in regards to this particular lip balm, and I know why this lip balm is actually hyped, because it has that glitter particle in it. Here and show you what I mean. Let me just go ahead and take a little. I don't want to waste a lot, but if you can see, this particular lip balm has glitter particles in it, and it actually looks good on your lips as well. So if you are looking for a good lip balm which is aesthetic as well as nourishes your lips, then definitely give this a go. This again retails for $2.49 and I got it for $1.74 on sale. So that's a good deal that I got on this particular lip balm. So the next product that I got is the Mars lip liner, and this is in the shade called Bloodbath. Yes, Bloodbath, and this again retails for 69 rupees. I got it on a discount of 65 rupees. However, for a lip liner, it is absolutely worth it. It is a very gorgeous shade and it glides on your lips really beautifully, and this is what the shade looks like. So the next product that I got is the Nykaa Gloss It Up, and this is in the shade called Giving Magic 11, and I'm sure if you are on Instagram and you have been watching all these beauty contents, you might have come across this particular lip gloss. It is in this green color. However, it goes ahead and as you apply it on your lips, it kind of changes color depending on your pH level. That is how it works. I have not tried it. I will be definitely going ahead and trying it out, and I'm actually excited to go ahead and try this out. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. Let me try and see if this does anything to my skin. I mean, not on my lips for now, but this is what the doe foot applicator looks like. it looks like. However, this was one product that I actually wanted to try. This one retails for $575 and I got it on a discount of 518 rupees. So the next product that I got is again from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal, and I have used this kajal in the past and I would definitely recommend this particular kajal. It is waterproof, smudge proof, and it is intense black, and this retails for 170 rupees. However, I got this only for 102 rupees, which is actually a steal. So it is a good kajal. You can definitely use it on your regular day-to-day basis. Alright, the next product that I got is again from Nykaa. It is from their skincare line. This is the spot patch, acne spot patch, and I do get acne here and there, like the white head acne, and that is when this comes in handy. So all you have to do is just apply it on your pimple and go to sleep, and the next morning when you wake up, you just take it off, and the gunk that was there in, the whitehead that was there, it will come along with the pimple patch. So the next product that I got is from Plum Body Lovin'. It is their deodorizing pit cream, and this is in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. This is supposed to be used on your underarms. I have heard Shreya Jain mention this in a lot of her videos, and this is actually a very tiny jar. It is for 99 rupees, but I got this on a discount of 75 rupees. Alright, so the next product is again from Plum Body Lovin', and it is their body oil vanilla vibes, and I have heard Mridul talk about this particular variant a lot, vanilla vibes, and I do feel that this smells like a cupcake. It actually smells like dessert. This one was for 150 rupees and it's a very tiny bottle. However, if you want to try their body oils, you can go ahead and purchase the tiny ones, and then you can opt in for the bigger bottles. So now whatever I'm going to show you are all free gifts or freebies that I received. So the first one is the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Gel Face Wash, Blood Orange and Niacinamide, and this is a very full size product that I got as a freebies. And again, this definitely smells like orange. I did use it once and it actually smells citrusy. It actually retails for 249 rupees, but I got this as a free gift. The other product that I got as a freebies is the Dot & Key Skincare Barrier Repair Plus Hydrating Gentle Face Wash, sulfate free, and again this is a very tiny product. The other product that I got is from Plum Body Lovin', and I got their FOMO high on fun fragrances, and there are 3 fragrances in here. It is such a tiny cute packaging. If you see, I have the vanilla vibes in my sling bag, and these are the other 2 variants. One is Hawaiian Rumba and the other one is Trippin Mimosa. And again, Trippin Mimosa is something that I have heard Shreya Jain talk about a lot. I have never tried Plum's Body Lovin' range. I'm glad that I got this samples as freebies so I can go ahead and try them. So the other product that I got again from Plum as a free gift is the Plum Bright Skin Essentials with rice water and niacinamide. So here I have the rice water and niacinamide serum. Here I have the rice water and niacinamide clear moisture gel cream, and then here I have the rice water and niacinamide hybrid sunscreen SPF 50 PA+++. So these are all the products that I received as a free gift in this particular box right here. The other product that I received as a free gift is the Yves Saint Laurent Eau de perfume, and this is a very tiny bottle that I got in this particular packaging right here. So the last product that I have over here that I received as a free gift is from Nykaa. It is their eye color palette, and this is in the variant 09, and I did not have any of this. I'm glad that I received one, so I'm gonna definitely go ahead and try this out and see how this performs on my eyelids. Yes, this actually retails for something around 3 to 350. However, I got this as a free gift. So that is all I have for this haul. It was so if you have stayed till the end, I'm so glad that you are here, and I really appreciate all of you. And if you liked watching this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.